I'm Dr. Neena Mohta. I'm obstetrician and gynecologist at Shivalik Hospital, Sector 51, Noida. I would like to discuss natural ways to cure menstrual irregularity, for which, number one, we have to know what exactly is the natural cycle. Normally, the menstrual cycle is ranges between 28 to 32 days. The day how to calculate menstrual cycle is from the day one of the period to a day before you start your next cycle is considered to be one cycle. Many women suffer from menstrual irregularities. They may have short cycles, they may have prolonged cycles, and so they get slightly upset when they have short or prolonged cycles. This increase or decrease in the menstrual cycle, or what we say in irregularity in menstrual cycles, can be due to hormonal imbalance, it can be due to their lifestyle, it can be due to their stress levels, or it can be due to a very common condition like PCOS. Now there are so many natural ways where you can which can help in controlling your life cycles, menstrual life cycles. When do you know whether your life cycle, menstrual cycle is regular or not? If your cycles is very prolonged, say it is more than 3 months, or if you have periods in less than 20 days or more than 35 days, or you have severe abdominal pains, or you have periods, heavy periods more than 8 days, then we consider that your menstrual cycle is not going very well. Now, the natural ways which we consider, which can help you to for your menstrual cycle regulation, are you can practice yoga. Yoga really helps in controlling your menstrual cycle because it relieves you from anxiety and it helps in hormonal disbalance control also. It also gives mental peace also. Next is exercises. Exercises can be done at any time of the day. It can include swimming, it can include aerobics, it can include brisk walking also. Third is it is seen that some spices like especially like ginger and cinnamon has been found to be effective in controlling menstrual cycle. Cinnamon is very useful, found to be very useful, especially in the conditions such as abdominal cramps or abdominal increased flow. It also helps in conditions which are associated with periods like nausea, vomiting. Cinnamon has been found to be useful. Lifestyle changes are very, very important. We have found that women who work late in the night or they do night shifts, they suffer from menstrual irregularities. For such women, we say for you should some psychological factors has to be taken into account, and you can pursue your hobbies, or you can do some take out some time to do meditation, which really helps. Plus, one important factor in controlling your menstrual cycle is weight reduction. You should calculate your weight according to your BMI. BMI is basal metabolic index. Just coordinate both of them, and if you reduce your weight, it will really help. Plus, I would say diet control is very important. Diet should include lots of fresh fruits, salads, legumes. Try to take lean fat but avoid red meat. Plus, add curd, prebiotics in your diet. So, these are the things which we think are the natural ways. Don't go for medication for all the menstrual irregularities. First, try these natural ways. 90% cases respond to this, and if they don't respond, then yes, you should consult your gynecologist. And the test you can go for ultrasound plus the test which have been referred to you by your gynecologist. Thanks.